Welcome to the Facebook video series once again, and in this video I'll be telling you all about what is the importance of Facebook and why and how Facebook has created such a big importance in the terms of social media. If I remember way back, there was another social media platform which was Orkut, which was generally being used to interact with the people, and suddenly all of a sudden it just lost its identity just because Facebook came in the market. When Facebook entered in the market, it gave us such a good interface to not only interact but also to upload your contents which your friends are able to see. It actually captured the market. But that was not the intention of Facebook. The Facebook has never created its platform to make it as a social media platform. The main intention of Facebook was to make it as a platform where people can express, not only people but as well as brands can express, that is, they can promote their contents efficiently and effectively. So as a result, what happened, the moment Facebook started flourishing throughout the world, slowly and slowly every brand also created their account on Facebook. So every brand was having the presence in terms of Facebook page, where suppose if I like some kind of music or some kind of character or some person, I started following his page. And by following his page, what brands started to do, like suppose if I am into tour and travel, I've created a page where I'm uploading all the destination and stuffs. And suppose if you are following my page, you'd be able to see the contents which I'm putting on my pages. So when this started to happen, apart from the content, people also started posting the advertisement on it. Now, as the Facebook is a free interface, so the advertisements were reaching to the right set of audience, exactly who are actually the potential customer of that product, out of no cost. Because suppose if I like Airtel, I would be following the Airtel page. I won't be following Jio or Vodafone, which probably I'm not using it. And tomorrow, if Airtel has launched some kind of offer, and he's putting on his page, so the majority of the audience who are seeing his ad is of Airtel user. So without any investment, the people or the brand who have created the Facebook pages, they were able to reach to the right set of audience. But later on, the reach of Facebook post have started to reduce. If you'd remember, like suppose you are having more than 500 or 600 friends, but you hardly see the notification of few friends only with whom you are interacting. Like suppose if your friend is putting some photographs or some contents, you are interacting with those contents or those photographs. If you are not interacting, the post of those friends will stop coming. You'll only receive the notification or updates of those friends only with whom you share or like those stuffs. Now the same started to happen with the brands. Suppose even I have liked the page of any brand, but I'm hardly interacting with the contents or the stuff which is coming on that page. The post stopped coming on my wall. Now for that, brand started advertisement. So the organic reach, which earlier was almost like 80 to 90%, it started to drop down and it has gone below even 2% right now. So the organic reach has almost finished in terms of Facebook. They have now more of focusing on the advertisement part. If you want to reach to your specific audience, either you need to have a very good engaging content that is binding the people to come down every day to your page or content and interacting, or else you need to make a very good effective ad. So when Facebook came up and these things started to happen, it actually captured the entire market. So if tomorrow I need to make my presence in this market, or if I need to make my contents go to the right set of audience, I need to make my presence on Facebook. If I would compare Facebook with any other social media sites, I hardly find anyone present out there. The only platform which is almost at par or ahead of Facebook is WhatsApp. And WhatsApp is also a part of Mark Zuckerberg only. So it's they all are connected. Now even you see it's written WhatsApp for Facebook. And the third biggest platform which I know is Instagram. That is again by Mark Zuckerberg only. So Facebook is actually capturing all the three dimensions, whether you are on WhatsApp, whether you are on Instagram, or you are on Facebook, you can easily trap the customer and make your message flow to them. So if today you're planning to make your presence on the social media sites, you need to understand Facebook, you need to utilize the Facebooks. So in the coming video of ours, we would be one by one seeing all the aspects of Facebook, how to use the pages, how to create an ad, and everything which exists in Facebook, right? So let's dive down to the further videos of Facebook.